Hey guys, I searched for a long time and even asked a car detailing specialist for advice. Here's my top 10 best cordless car vacuums from AliExpress. Number 1. Mija Wireless Car Vacuum. 21,000 PA strong suction, 30 minutes battery, best overall, $87. Second place, Makita Compatible Car Vacuum. 16,000 PA suction, big dust cup and LED light, great for big cleanups, $80. Third, Basius A-Fi Car Vacuum. 12,000 PA with smart features. Smart and comfortable, $65. Fourth, Sene 4-in-1 Car Vacuum. Very powerful with 4 functions. Low noise, versatile pick, $35. Fifth, SCUK Mini Car Vacuum. Compact with 4 functions, 30 minutes battery, easy to store, $29. Sixth, Portable Wireless Car Vacuum. Lots of nozzles and good suction, $25. Seventh, Slim High Power Car Vacuum. Ultra slim design, easy to empty, easy to use, $56. Eighth, Compact 2-in-1 Car Vacuum. Suction plus blower. HEPA filter, $40. Ninth, Strong Suction 4-in-1 Car Vacuum. 4 functions, large dust cup, $26. And 10th, High Perform Wireless Car Vacuum, brushless motor, multiple modes, $34. All these models are highly rated and really work. Links on my website, check the description of the video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.